How to fix lag in Roblox easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Roblox as you can see right now. Now I'm playing without any lag. So all what you have to do to fix it is simple. Just go to the top corner right here as you can see, click on Roblox logo and then go to settings, and you will find many options here. Just scroll down and make the graphics mode on manual and the graphics quality as lower as possible. And now make sure to copy also those settings right here. Turn off the performance, the micro profiler and the camera inverted, and then go back and enjoy your game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later and thank you so much.